The best baby laundry detergents for clean clothes. If your baby is messy and tends to dirty their clothes often, you need the best baby laundry detergents. When you have a baby or a toddler at home, it's natural for your laundry to be more than that of other parents with older kids. Moreover, you also need to use gentle detergents to wash your baby's clothes, since they have sensitive skin. Given the many choices available in the market, we have compiled a list of the best baby laundry detergents you can choose from. So, watch on and pick one. Number 1. Best for newborns laundry. Dreft Stage 1. Newborn Baby Laundry Detergent. The Dreft Newborn Baby Laundry Detergent works best for a newborn's laundry, but you can also use it to wash older babies' clothes. It is specially designed to wash baby laundry and is gentle on the baby's skin. It is formulated for high efficiency and standard washers. The detergent is trusted by pediatricians and is a leading baby laundry detergent recommended by U.S. pediatricians, as per a survey conducted by Dreft in 2016. What we like: hypoallergenic, biodegradable ingredients, chloride-free, phosphate-free, and dye-free, helps remove 99% of baby food stains, gentle on sensitive skin. What we don't like: the scent may be strong for some users, may not work well with stubborn poop stains. Number 2. Best plant-based. Tide Purclean Plant-Based Laundry Detergent. The Tide Purclean Plant-Based Laundry Detergent is primarily made with bio-ingredients, which comprise about 65% of the components. It is devoid of chlorine, phosphates, and optical brighteners. It is gentle on sensitive skin and works well with regular and he washers. What we like: plant-based detergent with biodegradable ingredients, dye-free, has a mild lavender fragrance, certified by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. What we don't like: may have a thick consistency, may create a lot of suds in the washer. Number 3. Best hypoallergenic. Charlie's Soap Laundry Powder. Charlie's Soap Laundry Powder works on all your laundry from high-tech fabrics to delicates. It effectively removes smells, stains, and left-behind residue from previous detergents. It cleans baby fabrics gently and makes them soft. It does not use artificial brighteners, and its gentle formula is safe for hand washing. What we like: fragrance-free, hypoallergenic detergent powder, non-toxic and made with biodegradable materials, leaves no residue behind, good for washing poop stains, making it the ideal detergent for infants' cloth diapers, contains no fillers, perfume, or chlorine, safe for sensitive skin. What we don't like: may need more than one wash to clean heavily soiled clothes, may leave a white film on the clothes. Number 4. Best pH balanced. Eco's Liquid Laundry Detergent. Devoid of dyes, optical brighteners, parabens, phosphates, and phthalates, the Eco's Liquid Laundry Detergent has a hypoallergenic pH balanced formula. It comes with a built-in fabric softener that helps reduce static cling. It has plant-powered ingredients and works well on baby fabrics. What we like: available in a pack of 2, cruelty-free, dermatologist-tested, safe for hand washing, SEPA Safer Choice certified for safety. What we don't like: may not work as effectively on stubborn stains, may not be effective in getting rid of strong odors. Number 5. Best USDA Certified. 7th Generation Concentrated Laundry Detergent. The 7th Generation Concentrated Laundry Detergent has a powerful triple enzyme formula that fights tough stains. Its clear and free composition does not irritate sensitive skin. It is concentrated enough to wash around 53 medium loads in a standard or he machine. What we like: about 96% of detergent is made of plant-based ingredients, EPA Safer Choice certified and USDA certified bio-based product, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, does not contain dyes or brighteners. What we don't like: quantity may be less, may need more than one wash to remove stubborn stains. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.